Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the free replay tool in TradingView, which you can use to backtest your Forex, crypto, or stock trading strategy. Even if you're using XNES or any other broker, this method is totally free and beginner-friendly. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently replay past market data, step through bar by bar, and put your trading ideas to the test without spoilers from future price movement. So let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to sign up for a free TradingView account. Just head over to TradingView. Don't worry, you don't need to pull out a credit card or commit to any paid plan for this tool. On their homepage, you'll see a big sign up button. Go ahead and set up your free account. If you already have one, that's great. You can skip this step. Having a TradingView account gives you access to a wide range of charting tools, including the powerful and free replay tool. Once you're logged in, let's get you into a chart. At the top menu on TradingView, you'll see a chart option. Just click on that. This is where all the action happens. Here, where you can choose the market that interests you, Forex, crypto, stocks, whatever fits your strategy. For example, if you trade EUR/USD on XNES, just type it into the search bar and select it. If you're curious about Bitcoin or Apple stock, you can select those too. The flexibility here is fantastic. You're not stuck with just one market. Now let's locate the replay tool itself. On the chart's top toolbar, keep an eye out for a small play button icon labeled bar replay. It looks like a regular replay symbol, and it's usually easy to spot. Sometimes, depending on the chart layout or screen size, you might not see it right away. If that's the case, don't worry, just click those three little dots at the end of the toolbar to expand and reveal more tools, including bar replay. This is a common spot folks get stuck, so take your time here. Once you activate the replay tool, you can select your starting point for the backtest. You'll notice a vertical red line. You can easily drag this back in time to the exact candle or price level where you want your practice session to begin. For example, maybe you want to start testing at a major high or after a big news event. Just click and drag it. Don't worry if it takes a moment to line it up exactly. Precision here really pays off because you want your backtest to mimic real trading conditions as closely as possible. With your starting point set, now you're ready to start the replay. You'll see a play button play underneath the chart, as well as step forward controls that let you move forward one bar at a time. This is where the magic happens. You can watch price action unfold candle by candle, just as if you were trading live, but you won't have any sneak peek at what comes next. That means your predictions and decisions are completely authentic and uninfluenced by future data, which is absolutely key when you're hunting a strategy. And that's it. Now you've got everything you need to analyze historical markets, spot entry and exit points, and build trust in your strategy, all for free inside TradingView. It's such a powerful way to practice risk-free and really build your trading muscle memory. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and please let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want to see more tutorials like this. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on new tips and guides. Thanks for watching and happy backtesting.